So there are a few things I want to address first and foremost. First, your dashboard is intended to be the hub of your system. You can access everything you need from here. And this is what I give you a link to when I set you up for your Ultimate Prep system. However, in case you see something like this page, it just means that you've managed to leave your Ultimate Prep system and you're in the general Smartsheet interface. But I don't want you to worry, there's nothing wrong with this. Smartsheet is collaboration software, so it's built for many purposes. For our purpose with the Ultimate Prep system, I've built what's called a workspace for each person. And if you find yourself here, you can get back to your system by clicking on the workspace and then clicking on the dashboard. And if you happen to have a Smartsheet license for other purposes, you'll see your Ultimate Prep system included in the workspaces that you have access to, among other things. And speaking of Smartsheet licenses, I wanted to cover, secondly, that you do not need a Smartsheet license in order to use the Ultimate Prep system. Smartsheet licenses are only needed for building in Smartsheet, including sheets, reports, dashboards, etc. But I've already built this system for you, so you don't need to spend any more money with Smartsheet, and you'll have access to your system for as long as you're subscribed to my service. So you can disregard the upgrade notices in Smartsheet and any emails you receive regarding upgrading, which you shouldn't be receiving any anyway. And last, I just wanted to say that I love hearing from customers. I would love to hear from you. I get emails nearly every day from people telling me stories about how the Ultimate Prep system is helping them get organized and become more confident in their preps and their next steps. That is the true blessing of what I'm doing with this service. So whether you want to share your story or you have a question or idea to make the system better for everybody, just reply to any of the emails I've sent you. I would love to hear from you. Now on to the next video.